Hello everybody, Shaq and Stephen Hawking here providing the final commentary for the England All-Stars. This is the last England highlight reel from the 2006 World Cup, and let me tell you it sure does suck. To be honest, and I rarely am, much of the footage is missing or destroyed by goats after a drunken night of partying by the producers. But luckily for us, some tapes have survived. So sit back and let my robotic voice guide you through the final game against Portugal. The match started off well, the England squad standing tall and confident. The Portuguese team were glorious and even managed to wash before the start of the match. Echo the mascot there fresh from a stag do. Ah, isn't he beautiful? The Portuguese warm-up was especially fun to watch. If I wasn't trapped in this electronic hell, I would leap up and join them, our bodies entwined in a melange of throbbing flesh, our members penetrating every orifice of one another's bodies. Sorry, I may have drifted from the topic slightly. Rooney holds two guys. He stomps on the crotch of Carvalho. Then he shoves that cut-breath Ronaldo. Rooney gets a red card and goes apeshit. Nothing happens for the rest of the game. It's shootout time. We lose the game. Why? Because we cannot score from 10 feet away. I could have fucking scored. And to make it worse, that dicklicker Ronaldo gets the winning goal. Motherfucker. The England team cries into their bags of money and Portugal celebrate their win. Well, that's all from me. I'm busier than one-legged ass kicker, and I have things to do. Until next time, goodbye.
Na 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 wow.